Oh my goodness. I got a package all the way from the UK from one of my favorite makers, Make It Soph. So to let you know a little secret, just in case you didn't know, I won a contest recently that Make It Soph put on. I kind of know what it is, so I just didn't want to spoil the fun. A package within a package. Smells like perfume. Plastic tape, no match for my custom wood letter opener. Oh my goodness, I love it. It's so cute. I'm so cute. So yes, it's a little custom made pop vinyl, handmade by Make It Soph. If you haven't seen or heard Make It Soph, go check her out. She's a wonderful young maker. She's going places. And it looks just like me. Amazing, so thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I consider this a work of art and I will be treating it as such. I'll have to find a special place for this. Not one of my normal videos, but this was so special I just had to show it to you. A little handwritten note, business card, oh, and a sticker for the lathe. Anyway, that's it for now. We'll see you next time in Cammie's Garage.